I get this question quite a bit from clients. What type of life insurances are available out there, and what type of plan should I be looking at? So, today I'm going to go over some different options with you, and I'm going to break it down into two simple, easy to understand plans: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Generally speaking, there are two different types of life insurance: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Each of these policies has different features, but they all have one thing in common. That is, they pay your beneficiary a tax-free death benefit if you pass away while the policy is still in place. That's the most important thing. Let's get into the details of these different types of policies right now. Term life insurance. This is the most affordable type of policy available to you today. That's because the coverage is only in place for a certain amount of years. The most common types of terms are either 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. What you need to know is once the term is up or done, the policy will either A, expire, or B, go up significantly in price. So as you can see from the chart that I go over with clients here all the time is, I have price on this side, age down here. When you're young, term life insurance is very affordable, easy to pay for. But as you get older, or those term expires and you still need the coverage, the price is going to jump up significantly over time. So in your later years, sometimes it's not even affordable to get term life insurance. However, most term policies have convertibility privileges inside of them. Basically, this allows you to switch to a permanent policy at a future date if you wish to, with no health questions asked. This is just age-based, so the older you are, the more expensive it's going to be to do it. And you have to make sure that you do it while your term policy is still in place. So with a term, you can convert it to a permanent policy down the road, no health questions asked. It's just age-based, and you have to do it during the term while it's still in place. We use term life insurance to protect against short-term debts for a lot of our clients. Such thing as mortgages, or to protect your income if you have kids in the household, or your spouse for that matter of fact. As you get older, don't forget term prices will increase and they become increasingly expensive as time goes on. But don't forget, you can always convert it. I refer to term life insurance as renting your coverage. It's just like renting an apartment. Renting an apartment is typically less expensive than owning your home. Everybody knows that. Just like term insurance is generally less expensive than having permanent insurance. But permanent insurance does have some attractive features and benefits that I need to point out to you that term insurance does not have. There are quite a few different types of permanent life insurance: universal life insurance, index life insurance, variable life insurance, just to name a few. All of these policies have one thing in common: they're designed to last forever, and that's why I refer to them as permanent life insurance. However, permanent life insurance does have an initial higher starting price than your term policy does, but the premiums are designed forever, and in most cases the policy will last forever if it's designed properly. They're just like owning your home, permanent policies are. You'll build up cash value in these policies in the same way you build up equity in your house over time. Typically, you have a fixed premium, just like I have in this example, over the course of your entire life. What's also really nice about these permanent policies is that you can design them however you want, and you don't have to worry about them running out in the future or about yourself paying a higher premium in the future if you structured the policies correctly. Some added benefits of permanent policies is that they can build up a cash value for you over time. So in permanent policies, as you're paying in a premium, if you design them properly, the cash value will grow as you put in premium. Now those cash value can be used down the road to take out a loan from or take a cash distribution from that you can use for whatever you like. We can also design permanent policies to help pay for nursing home costs. Those are just a few of the attractive features that permanent life insurance has available to you, and it's at a cost. So this is one of those situations where I tell clients, you get what you pay for. You're going to get a basic life insurance policy with term. It's the most bang for your buck. If you're wanting to look for cash value growth, added features such as nursing home care, then it would be appropriate to look at a permanent life insurance policy. I want you guys to just please make sure at least you have some type of coverage in place today. I don't care what type of plan you have or who it's with. There's a ton of great insurance companies out there, and there's a ton of great insurance agents out there that you can work with. All that matters is that your spouse and kids are taken care of if something were to happen to you. In order to do that, you need to have a policy in place. Getting a policy today is extremely easy to do. I just helped a friend get $1 million policy in place, and it took a total time on the phone of under 30 minutes. He didn't even have to do a physical to get this policy in place. I always tell my clients, if price was not an issue, everybody would own permanent life insurance because of all the added benefits and features inside of that type of policy. Personally, I own both term and permanent insurance. If you're trying to decide what type of policy is best for you, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to sit down with you and give you personalized advice that pertains to you in your specific situation.